So this is a video about how to make GUIs in MATLAB, that is front end. Now I must have given you some code like this, which is not a function. First thing, you have to convert the main code as a function, and for that you need to remove these three lines from the top, CLC close all clear all, and write function. Then you have to name this function. So whatever is the name of this m file, matlab code.m, the function name has to be same. So you can give matlab code, and .m should be the extension, and make sure your function lies in the same folder where you are creating GUI. So both should be in the same folder. That is another requirement. Now we will go to the actual procedure. So this is step 1. You convert it function. Now this code will not run until you type this command from your another code or your GUI. So you just save this. At the end of the function you can write end. It's not mandatory, but you can write. Now to make a front end, we just have to type guide. Now guide will open a GUI window. Here there are some predefined GUIs, something like you want to text box, a button, a click, or you need some graphs for image processing projects, some plot, a button, etc., and maybe some dialog windows. So we will start with the blank GUI. We don't want predefined GUIs. Now this GUI making is very easy. It's just like a VB. If you want a button onto your front end, first you can just drag drop and make the size of your screen when you run. So this is like your GUI. You have to put some button, like here you put a button. Here if you want to change the properties, go to the property inspector. Now inside a property inspector you can change colors. All the properties are here. You can keep changing them. The most important property that we will look for in this, it's called string, where it's actually written the name of the button. And here you just have to change it to something like do this skin detection, doesn't matter, whatever. So ये front end का GUI बन गया, skin detection हो गया. So यहाँ पे अगर आपको कुछ बुलेट चाहिए, कुछ सिलेक्ट कराना है, रेडियो बटन व्हाट वी कॉल, स्क्रॉल बार डालना है, कहीं चेक बटन डालना है, यू कैन डू दिस चेक बटन, टिक बॉक्स. बहुत काम की चीज़ है ये एक्सेस. आपको जो भी आउटपुट दिखाना है ये एक्सेस पे आ जाता है. तो आपको ये एक्सेस डालने होते हैं. और आपको कोई और ऑब्जेक्ट लेना है तो यू कैन टेक एक्टिव कंट्रोल, जैसे मीडिया प्लेयर वगैरह डालना है. यू कैन टेक अ टेबल ऑल्सो. सो देर आर डिफरेंट menus. You just have to go on clicking it if you want to display a variable. Once you do your entire front end, obviously इसमें text box वगैरह भी लगेगा, आपके कॉलेज का नाम ये static text में जाएगा, प्रोजेक्ट का नाम वगैरह वगैरह. Here you can also change the font size and all. जैसे यहाँ पे font size, let's say make it 80, and then you want to change static text to my code, whatever. So this is how you can change it. You can make it 40 also, make it look good. Again you can change colors and all. You can just drag drop the objects wherever you want. Overlapping हो रहा है, ये जैसे दिख नहीं रहा है my code पूरा, we can just expand. It's like a PowerPoint. Once you design all these things at the front end, now you just have to play this, and at the same time you can go to editor window and just call your functions. So this is how your entire code is. It will ask you to generate a MATLAB code for this GUI. You said okay, so it will automatically write a fig window for you. So you can save it wherever you want and just click save, and it will ask you untitled don't already exist, so you can click cancel because it's already exists. You can go file, save as. Here you can change the fig window to 2 or something, click save, and the code is automatically generated. So this is about the code generation. Now wherever you want to put, so this is callback buttons. So we want to put something at the push button. Let's say जो भी हमने कोड लिखा उसको कॉल करना है, तो कोड यहाँ से कॉपी कर लो, जो भी आपको एक्शन देनी है और यहाँ से कॉपी कर लो, एज अ फंक्शन बना के और ये पुश बटन प्रेस करने पे क्या करना है वो दिखाना है। तो यहाँ पे आपको बस इस लोकेशन पे पेस्ट करना है, दैट्स इट। तो जब भी आप बटन दबाओगे ये कोड एग्जीक्यूट होगा। अगर यहाँ पे आपको एडिशन करनी है a equal to a plus b, and here you want to declare what is a and what is b, so you can just put a equal to 9, b equal to 10, that's it, and again run. So save and run will change folder, obviously that is must, and then if you press on click at the background, it's 10 plus 9 19. नाउ ये बैकग्राउंड में आ रहा है, उसको अगर दिखाना है उधर ही डिस्प्ले करना है टेक्स्ट बॉक्स में, तो दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो डू। जहाँ पे भी वो डिस्प्ले का वैरैग इन होगा, मतलब हर जगह ये वैरैग आउट फंक्शन है, आउटपुट फंक्शन है, यहाँ पे कोई डिस्प्ले करना है आपको, तो यू कैन जस्ट पुट इट हियर, जो भी डिस्प्ले करना है, वैल्यू इक्वल टू a प्लस b व्हाटएवर। इसके लिए आपको यूट्यूब पे ट्यूटोरियल्स भी मिलेंगे, हाउ टू मेक GUI in MATLAB. So first, before starting making any GUI, learn to make calculator, because calculator requires almost everything, taking the values, printing the values, buttons. So there is 5 video series of 5 minutes each. You use that video series and use my video to get the GUI for your project.